Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hope so you all are fine. This is our maths lecture for class 10th. Today our topic is synthetic division. Synthetic division is the process of finding the quotient and remainder when a polynomial is divided by a linear polynomial. In fact, synthetic division is simply as a shortcut of long division method. Now describe the synthetic division method. The method of synthetic division is described through the following example. Using synthetic division, divide the polynomial p of x is equal to x power 5 x power 4 plus x power 3 minus 3 x by x minus 2. Now we are solving the example. 5 x power 4 plus x power 3 minus 3x divided by x minus 2. From divisor x minus a, here a is equal to 2. Now p of x is equal to, write the coefficient of divided in a row with 0 has the coefficient of the missing power of x in the descending order. Now we write 5x power 4 plus x power 3 plus there is no power of x square, so we write 0 minus 0x square minus 3x plus there is no constant, so we write in this statement, so we write 0. Now write the coefficient of x from the dividend in a row and a is equal to 2 on the left side. Now the coefficient of x power 4 is 5, so we write 5. Coefficient of x cube is 1, so we write 1. Now coefficient of x square is 0, so we write 0 minus coefficient of x is minus 3, so we write minus 3 and write constants is 0. Now 5 write as it is. 5 multiplied by 2, 5 2s are 10. 1 plus 10 is equal to 11. Now 11 multiplied by 2, 11 2s are 22. So we write 22. 0 plus 22 which is equal to 22. Now 2 multiplied by 22 which is equal to 44. Now minus 3 plus 44 which is equal to 41. 41 multiplied by 2 which is equal to 82. Now 0 plus 82 which is equal to 82. In the given statement, the highest power of x is 4. Now we find the highest power of the quotient. The highest power of the x in the quotient will be 4. The highest power of in the statement, or the highest power of x in the statement is 4. 4 minus 1 which is equal to 3. So the highest power of x in the quotient will be 3. Now quotient is equal to q of x is equal to 5 x cube plus 11 x square plus 22 x plus 41 as a constant and 82 is remainder. Now remainder is equal to r is equal to 82. Now students, now we are solving the exercise. Our first question is, use synthetic division to find the quotient and the remainder when x square plus 7x minus 1 divided by x plus 1. Now we are solving the question. X square plus 5x minus 1 divided by x plus 1. So x plus 1 is equal to x into minus. To find the divisor, we write x minus into minus 1. So a is equal to minus 1. Now write the coefficient of divided in a row and a is equal to minus 1 on the left side. The coefficient of x square is 1, so we write 1. Now the coefficient of x is 7, so we write 7. Constant is minus 1, so we write minus 1. 1 write as it is. Minus 1 multiplied by 1 which is equal to minus 1. Now 7 minus 1 which is equal to 6. Now minus 1 multiplied by 6 which is equal to minus 6. Now minus 6 -1 -6 which is equal to -7, minus minus plus, we write -7. Now we write the quotient and remainder. The quotient q of x is equal to x plus 6 and the remainder is equal to -7. Our next question is 3 is the 0 of the polynomial 2x cube minus 3hx square plus 9. Now write the coefficient of x square, write the coefficient of x in the row. The coefficient of x cube is 2, so we write 2. Now the coefficient of x square is minus 3h, so we write minus 3h. There is no coefficient of x, so we write 0. 9 is constant, so we write 9. Now 2 write as it is. Now we multiply 3 2s are 6 minus 3h plus 6, we get 6 minus 3h. Now 6 minus 3h multiplied by 3, 3 6 are 18 plus minus minus 3 3s are 9h. Now 0 plus 18 minus 9h, we get 18 minus 9h. Now 18 minus 9h multiplied by 3, we get 18 3s are 54 plus minus minus 9 3s are 27h. Now 9 plus 54 minus 27h, we get 63 minus 27h. Now the remainder is equal to 63 minus 27h. Students, 3 is the 0 of the polynomial, so we write the remainder is equal to 0 to get the value of h. Now 63 minus 27h is equal to 0. 63 is equal to, when minus 27h come this side of the equals, it's change in plus sign, so we write 27h. Now 27h is equal to 63. To get the value of h, we divide by 27 on both sides. 27 h divided by 27 minus 63 divided by 27. Now simplify, 27 is cut with 27. Now 9 3s are 27, 9 7s are 63. Now we get h is equal to 7 over 3. This is our answer. Students, similarly you can solve the remaining question number 1, 2, 3 remaining parts on your notebook and practice these questions. Hope so you understand this lecture. Okay students, Allah Hafiz, have a nice day.